All right, here we go. Men's B bracket semifinal here at the club championships. Rematch of a round robin game yesterday. LA Barons in the blue. 8 now gains his own. Dirty Birds in the black. Barons beat the Dirty Birds yesterday 4-2 in a round robin game. All right, 12 gathers. Dumps under for 14. 14 now. Up that left side, hands off for 10, or no, I'm sorry, 13. Long shot, blocked down, 10 now. In the circle, that shot's deflected wide. Barons now, in the circle, dropped it off for 8. 8, pad save there. Dirty Birds trying to clear the zone. Dirty Birds hemmed in right now. They finally get it out. Going in behind the net. 14 trying to get there for the LA Barons. Dirty Birds now. Gets bodied up. 12 now trying to help. Oh, throws it towards his net. Dirty Birds here in the circle. Shot. That's blocked off. 14 up the boards for 8. 8 now. 8. Gets double team there at the blue line. Dirty Birds keep. Dirty Birds looking to curl. 10 drops down. Long shot. That goes high and wide on the blocker side. Dirty Birds. Oh, nice play there by 14 from his knees. Throws down 11. 3 now. Looking to turn and burn. Fresh legs out here. 10's off on a change. 3. Gets canceled out initially in the neutral zone. 3 puts on the brakes. 3 now along the boards. He loses his footing and is looking for a trip there. No call. Dirty Birds in. Tries to throw it on the backhand from his knees. Goaltender was out. 23 now in transition. 23. Cross corner to 9. 9 shot. That's over the goal. Thrown in here. Dirty Birds got a chance. Oh, nice sliding poke check by 3. 3 now. Nearing the end of his shift. Good play by him from his knees. And deep for 23. 23 with the yellow helmet. Trying to get there. Dirty Birds alone in the corner. 3's off on a change. Winner of this will advance to the men's B bracket championship game to face the winner of the Garden State Indians and Blitzkrieg. Long shot. Fought off. Rebound. Thrown on towards the goal. Goaltender hands it off. Dirty Birds now turning up that left side. And kept in there by 23 and 1. 1 puts on some moves in the circle. Loses it finally. 23's pinching. 23 gets it in deep behind the goal line. Looks to center. The lefty curls. Skip pass to 4. 4. Down into the corner. Barons now. Bad angle shot that goes wide on the short side. All right, Dirty Birds here. Dirty Birds. Dirty Birds gain the zone. 6, able to throw it out.
Has anyone got any offensive games yet?
Obviously. Stop trying to change the subject, Mr. USA. So here we are, 3.5 minutes in. Barons have definitely controlled the tempo here early. A lot of zone time, more shots. Still knotted up at 0. Dirty Birds now in the circle, bouncing ball. 7 now, trying to get there. Dirty Birds dump it under, looking to bank it off the back of the goalie. He's up against the post. 15 with the cover.
That's the issue. That's up. Oh, damn. That was a bird. I thought it was a ball.
All right, so exactly 6 minutes left here. 4 minutes in.
Alex Perez is getting fucking massaged.
What?
Look at Alex Perez getting massaged. He's number 68.
All right, 13 wins the draw. Back to 14. 14. Little lob up center. 13. Yeah. 13 gathers. Oh, loose ball in front. Turnover. 90 now. Looking for a cutter. 13. Nice stick by him with 8 in transition. 10's all the way on the left wing. 8 now. Puts on the brakes of the half boards. He gets bodied up. Trying to drop it to 13. 8 somehow powers through. 8's in. Oh, lost it on the backhand. 14. 14, long wrist shot. That's over the goal. 8 now, trying to get pressure behind the goal. Dirty Birds throw it around. Battle here along the boards. 8 gets double teamed. Dirty Birds dig it out. Up center, loses a stick. And thrown in deep here, all the way around. 7 trying to get there for the LA Barons. Trying to throw it in front. Nice stick by 7. Long shot, save. 13. 13 throws it around. That might have been the first shot on goal. Maybe the second shot there for the Dirty Birds. 10 retreats. 10. Going around for 14. 14 up for 10. Nice little give and go. 10 trying to dump in. Canceled out there. Long ground burner. That's a couple of feet wide. All the way to 13. 13 up for 14. 14. Oh, trying to get it over to 9 on the wing. Got tangled up there. 9 though in the corner. 9. Nice move at the goal line. 9 trying to wrap it around. He curls all the way out to the point to 12. 12 going to fire that. Traffic in front. 14. 10 working behind the 9 working behind the goal line, and getting chippy there. 9 try to wrap it around. Wait, did that go in?
Penalty.
Oh, penalty there. Yeah. A hook there on the Dirty Birds. Giving the LA Barons the first power play of the game. I don't know what's going on here. So I'll take that back. Penalty on the Barons. So here it is. Power play for the Dirty Birds. Dirty Birds with a big opportunity here. Penalty killers out there. 2, 3, 4, and 12. Dirty Birds from the point. And that goes wide. Or inside the post on the glove side. I don't know what the call was on 9. 9 was in the box. So power play there for the Dirty Birds, up 1-0. 4:04 left here. They strike 8 seconds in to that 90-second minor. What? I don't know.
How do you say power play?
Well, yeah, it was a penalty on Christian. I don't know what they called that. All right, 12 now carries. I thought it was on the Dirty Birds. Definitely got to stop that though. There was no traffic in front. Wraparound attempt. Bouncing ball to the point. 4 hands it off to the left. Long bomb coming. Shot. Kick save out to the corner. Dirty Birds now trying to clear the zone. They do. They gain the zone. Dirty Birds in. Backside pass here. Oh, 12. Backhanded shot. Big save. Rebound. And 91 on top of the goaltender there. He didn't like that. So Dirty Birds up 1-0 here still. 3:17 left. And the period. If they lose this game after they won 4-2 yesterday.
That'd be a
Dirty Birds won the draw back. They keep hit down with the glove. Rebound. That's another 32. Tries to go to the point. Nobody home. Dirty Birds retreat. 11 in pursuit. All right, Dirty Birds. Tried to lob out. Dead ball here.
Now she's trying to
I just saw the breeze of everything in the river.
Yes. You are.
think about it.
Dirty Birds now trying to clear the zone. They're in. 23. Nice back check by 23. Able to slow them down there. 23 cross corner. Up for 13 and 10. Goes right between them. Dirty Birds now cross corner the other way. 23 stymies him at the blue line. Hands it off to 8. 8 looking to put the Jets on the right side. 8 now. Takes it under. Looks to center in front. 13 trying to jam it in there. 13. 8. Big opportunity there for 8. 13 got it to him. Bottom of the circle. Nobody on him. Goaltender good positioning, able to get the save. Can you bring me my drink from over there? Come on. What? No. All right, thrown out here. Able to get it over 12's head. 12 retreats. Forecheck coming. 12 now. Looking to put on the Jets. Gets by 96. Up for 13. 13 gets a piece of it. Dirty Birds hold the zone though. Bouncing ball. 12 brings a little body in here. Dirty Birds. Oh, tight shot. Going across. 13 gets it off the doorstep. Nice play to 96. Bouncing ball. Pinballing around. 14. He's able to gather. 14 now. He chips in. He's going in deep. Goaltender comes out. 10 now. Blocks that off. Gets it down to 14. 14. Give and go. Oh, backside for 3. 3. Misses short side. Huge opportunity there for the Barons. Thrown all the way around. Dirty Birds up their right side. Kept in by the Barons. Dirty Birds now have some room. Looking to break out of the zone. Up center. Trying to get by 4. And offsides here on the change.
You guys come with the
Ethan.
I'll put my game in.
So LA Barons here, offensive zone face-off. Got 1:05 left here, and they get a power play. Didn't see that call, so Barons going to the power play, trying to get the equalizer here late in the first period. 13 out there, 8 out there, 10 out there. The Blue Liners, 23. Can't see who else. Dirty Birds trying to win the draw. They do. 1 minute left in the period. Once again, LA Barons on the power play. 23. Up for 10, in and out. Gains his zone for 23. Off his stick, bouncing ball. 8, back for 23. 23. For 10. 23. 23, over for 8. 8. Trying to get somebody in the high slot. Goaltender's out. Hands it off to 23, 30 seconds. 23. They gain the zone. Two now. Back for 23. For 10. Or 8. One timer. That's blocked down. 5 seconds left. They got to fill it on. And that's going to be it. End of the first period. End of the first period. LA Barons, they trail the Dirty Birds 1-0. All right, here we go. Start of the second period. Dirty Birds up 1-0 with the power play marker in the first. Winner advances to the men's B bracket championship game. Barons still on the power play for 15 seconds. They gain the zone. Trying to set this up for these final closing seconds. 2 to the point. 13. 23. 13. Down for 2. 2. Looking for a skip pass. 2. In the slot. Penalties released. All even. Out of the box. Dirty Birds pick that up. 8 now. 8. Drops. Shot, 14. That's blocked. Nice block there by 32. Skip pass for 8. Oh, off 8 stick. Had an opportunity there if he could corral that pass. He was right bottom of the circle with a chance there. Over for 14. 14. Drops for 10. 10. 10 now at the half court. 14. That's a nice shot there off the one-timer from 10. What? Did they finish the first yet or no?
Yeah.
Did they really?
Yeah.
I thought they were behind this game.
There's like 6 minutes left in the second period.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they're ahead of this game. Dirty Birds shot across. That deflects wide. Twelve's in. 12 now, working behind the goal line, gets tangled up with 19 there and thrown all the way down. Goaltender coming way out here and just throws that out of play. We got 8:17 left here in the second. Dirty Birds still up 1-0. They get an offensive zone face-off. Here to the goaltender's left. Blue wins the draw, 23. Little lob pass here. In for 11. Up. Oh, they called that offsides. That looked to be well on. Handed down here by Blue. Trying to leave it for 11. Bouncing ball. 19 up center. He's in. Shot. Fought off with the glove and held. Nice glove save there by the Barons goaltender. What? No. Dirty Birds with an offensive zone face-off. Blue wins it again though, 23. Now they're going up that right side. 11 now pivots for the forehand. 11 looking for a cutter, backside for 4. Dirty Birds now in transition. They gain the zone. Probably a long bomb coming here. Long shot blocked. 4 now's got some room, gonna chip to himself. 4 gets it back. Oh, 4 off his stick. Ooh. Lucky there they got off. That could have been an extra man there. Just got off in time. 3 was coming out of the box. Got a tag up here. They're on. 3 now gains his own. Looking for 9 for a one-timer. 9 stick blows up. Somebody needs to get on here. Well, 9 just grabs the stick. Dirty Birds in. Who scored? 9 now. 9 in the circle. 9 tries to pivot to the forehand. 3 now working at the goal line. 3 to the point. Quick little wrist. Oh, and goal. Traffic in front. 9 with the screen. Was tangled up there with the defenseman. Not sure if he got a piece of it. Either way, it's that old adage. Any shot's a good shot. On goal. Think the goaltender and his defenseman were calling for goalie interference, but 9 didn't look like he had any contact there with the goaltender. All right, so 1-1 now here. Who scored? Really? So now this game's tied 1-1. Are they up 2-0 now? Yeah. Garden State up 2-0 on the other deck over Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg dominated them in the round robin. All right, 10's in. 10 got to pop that wrist shot. Oh, tried to go 5-0. 10, rebound. Or 7, I'm sorry, 7. Nice moves by 7 there. Now 10's got it. 10. 7 helps him out. 7's got some room here. 7 now, dumps under for 13. 13, nice pivot there. Try to power it in. 10, nice hustle there, keeps that. 23, throws a wrist shot wide. 13 now. And for 10, 10, redirect. What a save there by 31. Able to push from left to right. Nice cut by 10, good pass by 13. 13 at the circle. 13 for 23. And goal! 23, 13, and 10. Good work on that shift. Wow. They were just running it down here near the goal line. 7 good work as well. Everywhere good work. So 2 quick goals here for the Barons. They're now up 2-1. That shot was able to leak through. Goaltender got a piece of it. Just found its way across the goal line. So we're at 5:44 left here in the second. The LA Barons now up 2-1 over the Dirty Birds. LA Barons now trying to hold. 8 gets it in. Goaltender comes out. Bouncing ball in the neutral zone. Barons got to tag up. Up for 6. He dumps in. Nobody home here for the Barons. Dirty Birds got some room. Up center. Nice handles there. By 81. 81. Long dump in. Goaltender comes out, gets a piece of it, hands it off to his defenseman. Round for 11. 11 tries to go cross corner for 1. Dirty Birds here with a chance and cover. Better pay attention before I push you over. What? Do you know who scored for the Indians? You don't know?
What?
Who scored for the Indians? Do we know? All right, Dirty Birds offensive zone face-off, bouncing up in the air. 3 trying to get it out of there. Oh, long shot there from the point. That goes wide. Diving block attempt by 9. Dirty Birds now behind the goal line. Takes it under. All the way around on the backhand to the point. Dumps it back in. 23 is going to be there for the LA Barons. Up center here. 2. Oh, 2. If he could have corralled that, oh my God, he would have been in alone. Just over his reach. Good look there from 23. Just 6 inches too high. All right, so icing there on the Barons. Gives the Dirty Birds another zone face-off here. We've got 4:30 left here in the second. Barons now leading 2-1. Bouncing ball out to the circle. Barons, quick shot, save, fought off, goes behind the goal. 23 trying to drive up that left side. 23 got some room, cross corner. He's in, got to shoot that. Waits up now. Shot short side. Rebound, big rebound. 23 hits off defenseman. 76 blocked that. Tries to drop it for 9. 9, turn and shoot. Tried to go 5-hole, able to save that. Bouncing ball here. Pinballs around. 3's in. He tries to go high over the blocker. That goes way out of play. Couple of more chances there for the LA Barons.
Johnny Ruiz is staring you down.
Oh, where's he at?
He walked past. He's like, he heard you talking, and he's like,
Wait, who's he play for?
Garden State. He's a captain.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, the Garden State adult team?
Yeah. He's the one that was on Angel Network with Bobby Hunt.
Oh, okay. Which way did he walk? You should have told me. I would have been like, and. He's probably like, oh, that guy's good.
Yeah.
He's like, why is he kissing the boards? All right, Blue now trying to hold his own. They're in 8 for 3rd. Shot, rebound. And there it is, 10, 8, and 13. Nice look. First of all, nice look from 8 to 13. That's 2-1 over there? Yeah. 8 gives it to 13. 13, quick shot from the circle. 10, able to tuck home the rebound on the backhand. Not much of an angle there either. 3 now, 1 LA Barons. 3:43 left. 3:43 left here in the second. So Barons have reeled off 3 unanswered here. They're in again. Drops it off for 8. 8. Oh, 8. Looking for a redirect from 13. Good idea. 8, 10, and 13 creating havoc here. And the Dirty Birds defensive zone right now. 13. Of course, these 3 play together on the same team. 10 now. 10 in the circle. 10 trying to roll off that check. 10 curls out of it on the forehand. Nice move by 10. 10's got this. 10. Oh, 10 off the arm. Nice moves by 10 coming off the goal line. 10 now, bringing some pressure. 13 still there, gonna hold the zone. 13 chips to himself. 13. Oh, 13. Little stutter step there, he lost it. Thrown back in here, and that'll be an ice. .248 left. 2:48 left in the second. 2-1? Yeah. All right, so this game, Barons are up 3-1. You should have seen the moves that Phil decided. Goaltender made a crazy save there. All right, so this game, Barons are up 3-1. The other B bracket semi, the Garden State Indians are up 2-1 over Blitzkrieg. So we got 2 good games going here. The winners of each of these games will face each other in the B bracket championship. Dirty Birds control the draw. Bouncing ball, top of the circle. Try to throw it in. Who scored? Garden State scored over there again. So now we got 2 3-1 games. Dirty Birds in the circle. Throws it across. Nobody home. Dirty Birds now try to throw it under. 1. Hard around the boards. Dirty Birds cancel that out in the neutral zone. Levin now working at the goal line. Levin, was looking for 9. Good idea. 9 is open backside at the top of the circle. Levin almost threaded that pass. But all right, Dirty Birds now. Hey, at least I'm not like the guy yesterday banging on the boards. Josh told me that they almost kicked him out earlier. He was doing it along the sideboards. All right, Dirty Birds now in the corner. All right, 90 seconds left here in the second. Dirty Birds on the zone. 3 chips back under for 14. 14 now. Back for 3. 3 now. 3 goes up center here. 3's got some steam. 3. Over to 9. 9. Ooh, 9. Used the defender as a screen. Just went over the bar on the blocker side. Down for 3. 3 tries to center. Dirty Birds now. 3 chases. Nice pinch here by 12. 12's in deep. 12 centers. Nobody home. All the way out. Nice keep there by 4. Bouncing ball. 94 is going to pick this off. 9 now gets tangled up there. 9 gets thrown down. Loose ball. Wait, what are they going to call here? And no goal. Looks like they wave it off. Not sure what the call was there. The ball went in the net. Maybe goaltender interference. I don't know. Either way, referee waved it off. With 42 seconds left. Hey, what's the code word? Next time somebody walks by me and does it, you just say one word, and I'll immediately aim the camera at it. Just say, that's crazy, and then I'll be like, all right, so goal is waved off there. Trying to figure. Oh, so it looks like there might be a penalty coming up on. Nope, I don't know. Fresh legs coming out for Barons. Nope. Is there a Barons going to the penalty box? Nope, we're 5 on 5. All right, so 5 on 5 here. No goal. 42 seconds left in the period. It's getting hot here. It is getting hot. 87 outside right now, but some of these areas inside here feel like an oven. All right, Dirty Birds hold the zone. Quick turn and shoot goes across the goal mouth. Dirty Birds now at the half boards. In deep. All right, delayed penalty here. Penalty coming up on the Barons. Barons now extra attacker. And dead ball here. 6 seconds left here. Dead ball. Barron's able to touch it up. Big opportunity here now for the Dirty Birds. They're trailing 3-1. 6 seconds left in the period, but then obviously they'll start the third and final period on the power play. All right, 2's in the box. Penalty killers out there for the LA Barons.
For the Barons? No, because he sucks. He's riding the bench hard.
All right, bounce the ball loose. Oh, loose in the circle. Overran it. Big save there by the Barons. And 2 seconds, 1. And that's going to be it. End of the second period. Barons reeled off 3 straight there. Barons 3, Dirty Birds 1. All right, here we go. Start of the third period. Barons up 3-1 right now, but they're on the PK. Huge opportunity here for Dirty Birds. Trying to trim down this lead here by the LA Barons. They're on the power play for another 110. Dirty Birds now through the neutral zone. Dirty Birds in and out, gain the zone, looking to set this thing up. Yeah. 3, 7, 9, and 23 are the penalty killers. Back and forth on the point. Long shot and rifles it. Rifles it up over the glove. That's funny. All right, so that was a nice shot there by Dirty Bird. Short side snipe over the glove. Only not much traffic in front there. All right, so power play marker there for the Dirty Birds. Barons up now 3-2. They got to respond. They think 3 goals is going to win this game. Probably not going to work. 13 back for 10. 10 looking backside for 8. Just off his stick. 8 now. Circles out on the forehand to 12. 12 one timer. 10. Oh, redirect. Try to redirect. That goes wide. 12 now chases for the Barons. Dirty Birds now. It's a big save there. Big left to right push off. 11, sort of fan on that. Still got it on goal. Nice save by the Barons. 8 now. Looking to turn and burn. He's with 10. 8, trying to split the double team. 8, short side. That misses. Eight to the point. 4. What?
That's a big game.
All right, Dirty Birds goaltender on the ground. 8 now at the half boards. Gives it up to 10. 10 now. Working in the corner. 10. 10. Nice little pivot to the forehand. Going to take this under. 10 circles all the way around. 10 now dumps under for 13. 13. 13 tries to drive it in front. Loose ball. 13 again. Goaltender's down. 10. Still loose, and goaltender gets a cover. Bodies falling all over the place down there. 8:01 left here. Wholesale changes here for both teams. 5 in, 5 out for the Barons. Same for the Dirty Birds.
Guys. That shit's good. Alright, got something. The Alvarez, you ready?
What? That's not for real?
That's Alvarez.
Playing ball? All right, Barons now. Up that right side, kept it by Dirty Birds. Little wrist shot, redirect. Nice poke check there by the goaltender. Came out on 16, able to poke that away. 11 now, off and running. 11's in. Wrist shot, save, and cover. Nice save and cover there. He's good. I remember him playing last Friday night.
Last Friday night was second.
On Friday night. All right, Barons offensive zone face-off. Dirty Birds, they win it. Lob it out, hand it down here by 7. 7 chips up for 3. 3 now gets tangled up in the neutral zone. Battle here along the boards. Dirty Birds, they're in the zone. And up, out of play. You know you're hardcore when you're wearing a suit. He's gonna chop though. Little wrist shot, fought off with the glove. Why pressing that?
Guys, I don't know. He tries to.
Yeah, I know. Dirty Birds here, chance, top of the circle. Drop pass. Tries to throw it on with the backhand. Goaltender jumps up, hands that down. Throw it across. Shot. Save. Rebound. Oh, can't pull the trigger on the rebound. Goaltender was down. Another save. 3. Trying to get it out of there. 3. Just got to get it out. 4. Up center. Kept in by the Dirty Birds. 2. Hands it down. Almost disaster there for the LA Barons goaltender. LA Barons try to chip it out. Dirty Birds now tagging up. They're in. They gain the zone. High slot here. Oh, LA Barons hit the deck. Shot wide behind the goal. Dirty Birds now working behind the goal. They cycle under for 97. Gets past him. Battle here in front. Up. Got a player down here for the Dirty Birds. He's up. Loose ball. Off. 3's back. 3 now. 3 now looking to turn and burn. He dumps. They've been out there a while. They get off on a change. 9's in now. Six minutes left here. LA Barons up 1. Tosses it in. Trying to wrap this around. 13. Bad angle. Goaltender freeze. Loose. Oh. 13. Thought he was going to wrap it around tighter. Curled out near that dot at the bottom of the circle. Goaltender came diving out low. I'll tell you, that was shot up high. It was an easy goal. Goaltender got on it. It was sort of loose there. 13 tucked it under his goaltender.
Under the goaltender.
Dirty Birds were arguing that it wasn't a frozen ball. So 5:49 left here. LA Barons still up 1. 13 wins the draw back to 7. 7 cross corner for 8. 8 now looking to go. He's got 10 going down the middle. 8 now. 8 power move. 8 poked away by the goaltender. Nice play by him. Thrown out. That'll be a nice. Oh, nope. 23. Across for 7. 7. Cross corner for 10. 10 now. Gains his own. Nice play up to 8. 8. Tries to put on a swim move. Leaves it for 13. 13 shot. That goes wide. Nice play from 10 to 8. Little seam pass there. 10. Wrist shot. That missed the short side. Remember, that's crazy. 23. 13's in. Shot. That's deflected wide. 13 now in the corner. 13 at the circle. Loose in front. Now it goes behind the goal. 13's off on a change. Handed down here. All right, Dirty Birds now trying to go in transition. 15's out. 15 dumps it under. 1 hard around the boards. All right, 8's off on a change. 10's got to get off. He's been out there. 10 now. Picks it up though. In the offensive zone. All right, 10's off. All right, 4 minutes and change here left. Barron's still up 1. Little skip pass there for 11. 11 in the circle. Big opportunity. 11. Oh, shoot that. 11. 11 finally shoots. Save. Fall off to the corner. 11. What is he? 11's got to shoot that. Battle here in the neutral zone. Dirty Birds trying to clear. Thrown on. Kicked out. Thrown on again. Loose. All the way down. 12's there for the LA Barons. He throws it under. Nobody home though. LA Barons were on a change. Wrist shot blocked by, oh, trouble. Shot off the stick. 14's got to get it out of there. 14 gets canceled out in the corner. 3's going to help him out. Big save there by the blue goaltender. Here with 3 minutes left. Two, nice dig. 2's in. In for 8. 8 now working behind the goal. Or is that 9? Yeah, 9. Throw it all the way out. 12 throws it back down. And that'll be an ice. All right, 2:42 left here in the game. Barron's still up 3-2. Dangerous opportunity there. Goaltender came up with that big stick save there at point blank range. 9 on the draw here for the Barons. He's out there with 3 and 2. The blue liners 12 and 14. Dirty Birds win it out. 9 jumps it though. Dirty Birds up center. What's the score though? What's the score?
3-1.
How much time's left?
Like 5 minutes left.
All right, 3 now. Gets bodied up in the corner. Call for the penalty. Nothing. Oh, 3's down. And they're going to whistle this dead. We're going to go to an injury time. All right, 3's off the deck. Maybe down for probably around 45 seconds. Hopefully he's okay. 2:10 left here. Barron's trying to hold on up 3-2. Barons just want to keep this ball deep in the zone. 10 dancing. 13 dancing. He dumps down for 10. 10. He dumps under for 23, who's now in deep. 23 all the way around. Trying to get it to 10. All the way out. 13. Nice keep by him there at the blue line. Dirty Birds got somebody back here. Got to be careful here. 4 now. 4 retreats. Off that right side for 8. 8 now chips in for 10. 10, he's in. Got 8. Oh, 8 just a little behind him. Dirty Birds in transition now. Drop to the point. Shot coming. Long shot blocked. That goes wide. Dirty Birds. 1:15 left. 1:15 left. They're going to pull the goaltender. No, goaltender's still in now. 8 now in transition. 8 with 10. Shot. Save. Could have sealed the deal right there. 1 minute left. 1 minute. Dirty Birds are going to pull their goaltender here when they gain the zone. He goes to 12, picks it up. He goes to the bench. Extra attacker out. Dirty Birds into the circle. 9. Up the boards to himself. 9's in. Empty net. He's behind the goal line though. Dirty Birds.
Yeah, he just scored.
Really?
Yeah, 4-1 now.
Like an empty net or a real?
Yeah, power play goal.
Oh, nice. Dirty Birds in. 10, trying to get it out of there. Thrown in, save, rebound, poked away. 15 seconds. 12 now. 12, just got to get it out of there. Right around the boards, up for 9. This is going to be it. 9's just got to chip it in. Kept in. Oh no. Disaster. That's going to be it. Oh. Danger there. 9 couldn't clear. Ball was kept in.
So it looks like the Barons and the Indians.
Big plays here. So Barons advance to the B bracket championship. Indians are up on the other deck 4-1. So it looks like it's going to be Barons versus Garden State Indians in the B bracket championship.